Okay, I created this system because I knew that I needed a massive amount of quality content, not just stuff that works, stuff that hits, stuff that stands out, that makes an impact on the world. Welcome to the Content Machine. My name is Kris Zizzo. I'm gonna be your host today. Here at the Content Machine, our job is to help you become the most successful content creator you can possibly be. And I know some of you here are not wanting to be creators. I know some of you here just understand the power of having influence in your name out there and the exposure that you get from social media, and you really don't wanna do this, but you know you have to. That's cool, because I'm also gonna teach you how to do this most efficiently, effectively, become good at it, and not spend much time on it, because you shouldn't. You should spend time on your other stuff, your business, the stuff that's important to you, that you like doing. But content creators, you are gonna get a ton out of this as well. I hope you can stick around for all the latest and greatest tips, the how-tos, the full-on walkthroughs of what you need to do, how you need to do it, when you need to do it. Just learn that content doesn't need to be a task, but it's something that you get to do. It's something that you have a responsibility to do, because what you know and what you provide as a service needs to be known to the world. Since this is the Content Machine, and we're learning how to do all things content, this is the intro video. I might as well teach you how to make an intro video while I give you our intro video. So what you just heard in the intro video was an introduction. Hi, I'm Kris Zizzo. This is the Content Machine. This is what we do for you. I know who you are, because you're either a content creator or somebody like me who doesn't really want to create content, but you know the power of it. And now I'm going to get into who you are, what you provide, why people should listen to you, what you can do for them, what they should expect from you, and the outro. So we covered a couple of those. That is the format. Now, I want to tell you why you should listen to me. My name is Kris Zizzo, and I've created a social media following for myself that is pretty significant. I've got about 2.5 million followers on TikTok. I've got over 250,000. I think I'm at 280,000 on Instagram. I've got a YouTube following that is pretty significant. I got a Facebook following that's pretty significant. Over all of the platforms, it's about 3 million. And I've done this by myself through consistency, through learning the skills and what it takes to create good content that's meaningful and helps people. And that's really what this is all about. So that's why you should listen to me. I still do this today, by the way. I create content on a regular basis. I have a team that helps me. I have a team that could possibly help you if you want that. And I stay up to date with all of these resources and the research and keep talking to people and making sure that I'm doing my best for my own businesses. So there you go. Now, what can you expect from me in order to help you? Okay, I created this system because I knew that I needed a massive amount of quality content, not just stuff that works, stuff that hits, stuff that stands out, that makes an impact on the world. And I'm gonna create videos about what I research and what I learn for all of you. That way you could be the best. You don't have to do the hard work, I do it for you. Expect to grow your business, expect to grow your influence, expect to have opportunities come up that you have never thought of coming up. For instance, I was a fitness guy when I was an engineer. I didn't expect to be a sponsored athlete ever. That came up though. Why? Because the power of influence. I grew my brand by staying consistent with content, and I got sponsorships. I was getting paid advertisements from people who wanted to use my platform for exposure. I was growing my business before I even had a business. But when I started my business, I had a lot of people come in right away because they knew who I was. And this is all gonna happen for you too if you stick around and just listen to me, hang out with me. Think we're gonna have a good time here? Remember, there's a lot of power and influence, and that's what you can expect from what we deliver. Now, finally, how often is this gonna happen? Well, to be honest with you, I haven't really thought that through a whole lot. I expect to put out one a week, but I really wanna turn it up to like 2 a week, maybe 3 a week. Maybe I just make this a full-time gig, who knows? But expect 1 a week for right now. And if you guys like this stuff, we'll keep it going, all right? That being said, holler at me here. This is The Content Machine on YouTube. You can find The Content Machine on podcasts, anywhere that podcasts are hosted. You can also find us at Instagram, Facebook, all the good stuff. And I'll link those down below just in case you want to take a look, because we will have shorter, more palatable content on there. That's it for now. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay tuned, because we're going to be putting out a lot more of these videos in the future, all right? See you guys.